Hey guys, good morning. So today is day 5 of our ride and I am pretty happy today because today we will be riding to Guwahati, which is my hometown, and so I have my parents and my second elder brother, his wife, and my niece. They stay there, and but the worst part is it's raining here in Siliguri, so we thought of starting the ride early, around 5:30 or something like that, but then again it was raining quite heavily, so we could not start the ride. So abhi now it is 6:30, 6:45. So Atul has gone down to load all the luggage. So once he is done, we will start, and we are thinking to wear our रेन गियर्स सो दैट बीच में बारिश ना मिले, एंड मिले भी तो सॉरी बीच में बारिश मिले भी तो वी कैन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, वी डोंट हैव टू स्टॉप समवेयर एंड देन वेयर आर गियर्स. सो इजी से पहन के जा रहे हैं, एंड या इट सेज लाइक इट विल टेक 10 hours to reach Guwahati, so I want to reach home as soon as possible. I want to be with my niece. I'll be seeing her after 1.5 years. So practically we are running ahead of rain, because we went to Visakhapatnam. There it was raining. It just rained before we reached the city. Then Calcutta also, the night we stayed back, it was raining very heavily. And here as well, yesterday there was too much of thunderstorm and lightning, and trees and all were uprooted. So highway was full of trees, branches, leaves. Thankfully we crossed the place after all those things happened, but then again, yes, it was raining here as well. So hopefully और बारिश ना मिले. I don't want a rain ride. Yeah, we'll keep you updating. Bye. Hi, so we are at the Coronation Bridge. This is on top of Teesta River, and the view is amazingly beautiful. So I have clicked a lot of photos. You can see the river flowing down, and the mountains, the fog. It's just mesmerizing. So let me show you around how it looks.
ऐसा क्या है?
ऐसा खराब रोड कितना दूर तक है?
अभी तो सही है, पूरा सही है।
सही है।
हाँ, पूरा सही है।
अच्छा
काला हो क्या है वो?
हाँ, डस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा था।
हाँ. Hello viewers, so finally I reached my home here in Guwahati. Mosquitoes. So the joy of reaching home after a long tiring day is really priceless. Like you get to spend time with your family, and I have a little niece here, so yeah, all the tiredness, all the fatigueness that happened during the ride was completely wiped out. Some section of the road was really bad, but then it's fine. Like previously we thought of heading tomorrow itself to Dirang and then to Tawang, but then now we are thinking to stay back and we also have to go to Nagaland house and see if we can get the ILP from there. And we also have to do some tidbit thing with the bike. Have to wash it in the first place. It looks really dirty. It started raining. Anyways, yeah. So we are finishing off some of the stuff here. Our SD cards are full, so we are transferring it on laptop. Another half an hour's work, and then I'll off to sleep. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night.